let's go.
About to get a little crazy.
What are you, right now you are? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna swing around the block after you change.
Put it in,
Manual?
yeah, so yeah. Weak. Firmly apply brake. Engage. Now push OK. Now you're engaged.
It just keeps them locked.
The brakes?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you can push OK, I think, to either push OK or let it. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to hold the brake, I don't think. 'Cause I think you just tap the brake once to release it.
I don't like that.
Well, then try to do it without the line lock. Just do it and you definitely smoke them fuckers though.
Let them eat that time. They're sticky here.
Yeah, you hear them sticking and everything. Yeah, I don't like that.
Put on your seatbelt. No, because I wanted to start doing a rolling burnout.
Yeah, you got it. Not right now. You should be able to do a burnout. No question. Right now, without stop right here.
Alright guys, about to get the STEEDA X pipe installed. I'm here at Doug's muffler. I just started it, so it's probably decently warm, but let's give it a cold start stock. I'll give it a remote rev and then we'll put the X pipe on and see what it sounds like after. Not too bad stock, but see what the X pipe does for it.
Yeah, you look at about 80 bucks.
80 bucks?
Yep.
Nice.
Probably gonna take me about 45 minutes.
Okay, cool.
Sound good?
Yeah. That's all you get in the box right there. Just a little X pipe. That's the part that's coming off. Got this old suitcase looking thing off of there. Alright guys, let's do a little auto start. Got it, got the X pipe all installed here at the Harper Cruise right now. It's a lot louder. Calm down, let's give it a little rev start, or a remote rev. Little pops in there, it seems like. Just the X pipe.
The whole squad out here, baby.
Everything else is stock. Sounds really good.
Wow.
What's going on, boys? Down here at
Chase Martin.
I don't know where we're at, but we're at the cruise, baby. That's it.
There's a Ford Lightning.
It's heavier than a dump truck. Look at the needle, though. That ain't normal. This guy now.
Yes, sir. Got the lifted F350 out here on forces. Cody 9.5 with the.
Should we pop the hood on him?
Yeah, pop the hood on him.
You got a little V6 Eco Boom.
Got a little work truck, little
got special. That's about 80, 85 top down. I'll tell you that.
Ain't no
Big
V6.
Whipple.
Dang.
Hey, we're a little dusty right now. You know what we're getting after it. But big pulley. Gotta wait for the small one to come in. We push about 800.
Heck yeah, 5-0.
The Whipple. You got a lot of exclusive.
I know. What can you do, dude? You got your supercharger oil, colder intake that comes with it, an intercooler they put under here. All this is new. All this
New
plastic.
fuel rails, all that shit.
Yeah,
New
fuel
injectors.
rails, new injectors, fuel pump.
It's really a whole top end fucking
Yeah, I mean-
reconstruction, you know?
Yeah.
Definitely. See the river? A little warm. I'm gonna leave it open.
Does it got an oil
stick?
oil catch can?
No, we need to put them on.
Yeah.
It helps too.
Can you give us a little rev?
You want to hear something? Stand by the exhaust.
Hey, put it right here, my exhaust.
Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Damn, yeah, I gotta go straight pipe. Bro, what?
It's only one pipe.
It's the 5-0 straight pipes. The whole way down. That sounds so good, dude. No way. Let's hear some supercharger whine. Wow.
That supercharger's so motherfucking loud.
I wonder if the Mustang would sound like that, because this guy's like a fucking big gulp.
That motherfucker.
Yeah.
He said it's got a big gulp on it.
Stand by the airbox. We'll feel it.
That supercharger sounds so sick.